Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Aditi Ranjan. Hi, if you have come first time on my channel, I make content around public speaking, debating, diplomacy, conference, travel. So all and also broadcast right now. You might think that I'm fumbling right now because I'm super hungry. So let me give you a context. Like I did not officially start this vlog, so I'm officially starting it now. So presently I am at the Delhi Airport Terminal number 1, which is quite good, quite amazing. And I'm sitting in the food court area, and I will be having my food in a minute. So today is 2 of August. I'm traveling to the Oxford MUN, which is happening in Pune at the Flame University, which is a very prestigious university, very prestigious competition. It is happening from 3 of August to 6th of the August, and so we are traveling. Yeah, let me give you a little background context. So I have taken a flight from my hometown and I have landed here. So we have kind of like 7 to 8 hours of layover here in Delhi Airport, Terminal number 1, and then we'll take our flight, which is super late night. We'll take a flight and then we'll go back to, not back to, we'll go to Pune, and then you will see in this video it's basically travel with me. So you will be watching me travel from here to the Pune airport, and also you will see how the shuttle services work at how does the shuttle services work at the Oxford MUNs, and also for the Harvard Sustainable Program. I don't know the name exactly. Like what is the name? So it's like Harvard something, and you might be watching me like looking at somewhere. So I'm watching, like I'm waiting for my food. So that is what the context is, and I hope you will enjoy this vlog. So yeah, let's continue. So done with the food, I have come, like I have just changed my face a little bit, and I have just video here. That's my setup, and that's like my background. It's really pretty. I don't know how to show you, but look, this view is really pretty, and you can see the city that side. Late night, you might be seeing the reflection. So yes, done with the food, done with that video shoot. Now I have to read about Netherlands. Like I have prepared topics for the mod caucus, but I also have to like I have 6 mod caucus planned. We had discussion with my team, not my team, the dissect committee. So we will have that thought. No audio is being recorded. Oh, because the mic was off. Yeah. So what I was saying is that. So we have created a very informal group from the dissect committee, from the main group. Like it's not advisable to make a group, but who listens to the teacher, guys? So we have made a group, and we have decided 6 mod caucus a topic. I have prepared 2 of them, and I need to work upon 3. And also I am missing on my classes, so I also have to do it. So I'm done with the food. I'm done with the video shoot of what to pack with Oxford MUN. So probably I will edit it now, and or I will research about this Oxford. I need sleep, I think. So yeah, I'll research about Netherlands and all that. Yeah, just for the information, I'm representing Netherlands in the Oxford MUN at the dissect committee. So that's my committee, and yeah, let's pack and go to the launch, and probably I will grab a snack from Starbucks, and then we will go a coffee probably, and then we will go. And by the time it's 11, it's presently 7:30 or 8, I'm not sure. It's 7:30 or 8, and then we will go at 11. We will go to our gate number, and then we also have to shoot a lot of reels. So that's the plan.
What about what the girls want? What about self-destiny? Shouldn't
is for the moderated cockers. I have done the research. So, and it's wait, let me tell you the time. It's it's 23, like it's 11:14 right now. So, and I'm feeling a little bit hungry, so we will go get from the same launch. We will get the food, and then we will go to wait, and then we'll go and grab some cold coffee probably, or milkshake, because I have to shoot reels now, and then I will go to our gate, because by the time I eat my food it will be 12 and my flight is at 2:20 at night. So we will go at the gate, and then let's see, we have to shoot reels. Like I have to shoot reels for my Instagram and YouTube. That is the one thing I have to do. So quite happy. The day was really productive. Like I had 7 hours 50-minute layover here in Delhi, and there are like 2-3 hours are left, but I have done good work. Like I have eaten food good, I have shot a video, that's done. I have written the speeches, done the research, that is good. Also I was talking to everyone in the Dissect informal group, so I cannot guarantee if you get this, but obviously people in MUNs are really good, and like they feel really so nice. Like I like the found family, so that's kind of vibe. So we were just chatting, chilling around, and now I'll get food because I'm super hungry. And I don't know, my charger is here, like in this socket. It was working when I was sitting somewhere there, but now it's not working here. So anything wrong with my charger, or if it's this socket, so I will go and try to charge it there. And if still this charger is not working, and then I have my dad's card, so I will buy a new charger here, because obviously I cannot go without charger. That does not make sense to me anyway. So yeah, so let's go. भैया मेरे को ऐसे एक्सीलेटर से बहुत डर लगता है भाई, फॉर सम रीजन आई डोंट नो. ये बंद है, so I don't know if you can able to see it or not, but it look very confusing. मम्मा बहुत confusing लग रहा है, एक ही लाइन है. मम्मा जय माता दी. उतर के. So I will go and I will start to shoot from this area for the reels, and yes, and then we will go to our gates. That is the plan for now. Also I was not able to charge my phone because the cleaning was like they were cleaning the floors in the launch. So probably I will go around our gate and then we will do it. Let's do the work, let's shoot. Oh my god. Somebody's at store. This is so pretty. Wow. मैं वीडियो नहीं बना पाया, क्या मेरा मार भाई. वो मेरा गेट है, वहाँ पे मैंने अपना बैग खास इन पॉकेट, बस गिराने की जो मेरी आदत है. हाँ, सो हम थोड़ा सा एयरपोर्ट एक्सप्लोर करने आए हैं. मतलब एक्सप्लोर नहीं, ऐसा जस्ट देखने आए हैं. घूमेंगे बस, थोड़ा सा शूट करेंगे, दैट्स इट. ये मेरा प्लान. एंड मैंने माचा ले लिया. फॉर दोज हू डोंट नो, दिस इज माय फेवरेट ड्रिंक. एंड व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग दिस आई डोंट नो, जस्ट आई एम टेलिंग. And for the context, let me tell you, I have not had like a really good sleep since last 1 week, because I had my exams going on, and I don't study. So ऐसा अंट शंट बकवास मैं अपने पेपर में लिख के आई हूँ.
Like I am so scared about the result. Like crazily, I'm so scared. Like ऐसा अंट पेपर में मैंने आज तक कुछ नहीं लिखा है, and it's 11th, so you can understand the level. And I don't study because I work now, so that's the thing. And I'm so and like 2 of August, it's Saturday. So 2 of August, Saturday, and I don't go to school on Saturday. Like the school is closed on Saturday for us, for 11th grade students. And now the school will reopen on Monday. And I will not go because I will go from next Monday. So just imagine a situation. I have written so much nonsense in my paper and I am out for 1 week. I don't know what will happen. My teachers just don't call my parents and say, क्या लिखा है आपका बच्चा, क्या लिखा है आपका बच्चा. Oh भाई, crazy. This is perfect location to shoot the reel. And guess what? I did not bring my tripod. Can you guys see me? Hi.
So, for that, we ready to all the steps. Should be pushing back and starting off the middle. Have a pleasant flight and we'll get back to you with the details once. Thank you.
To close for departure 0228 hours. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. It's 4 now. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. Just woke up. I was just still in the plane. Just woke up. Super tired. I was sleeping all the time. Done with this plane thing. Like I have just come out. And now we are heading to collect our luggages. And that's it. Super excited, super happy. I have gotten call from the Oxford MEN team, so they have come to pick me, and there are also people who have come early than me. So my flight was 4:25. There were some people who came at 4, some people who came at 2 a.m. in the morning. So there are people and they are waiting for me, and then we will wait probably till 5:30 for some more people to come, and then we will go by bus. So that's the plan. So happy that finally I feel that I have become a woman now. So excited. So we'll meet you guys when I get into the bus because I am super hungry. I have to brush also. It's that thing. Independent woman. I carried this one, like I took off, feeling empowered. Now I will go to the washroom. We will do our morning stuff, brushing, freshening up, and then we will leave. Kind of thrill, actually. Kind of thrill. Hi everyone. So just got my breakfast lassi because I don't like anything the food court has. Like, you know, food in South is really different from the food you have in North. I hope I'm audible, right? Not sure. So I got the Oxford MEN team. So they picked me up from the gate number 1, and now I'm sitting here in the food court just like, what do you say, just opposite side of the gate number 1. And we are waiting for a few other delegates and then we'll go together. So probably I'll catch you guys then. and or I will sleep or I will edit a video. What kind of stuff. Let's see what happens. So excited, so excited. Like living my dream. Chota. Living my dream. Happy. My breakfast. I don't know if we eat it like khali pet ya nahi, but ठीक है, अच्छा है. They are the Shilpa member and that black men in black, if you can see, yeah, there. And they all have also shared us a PDF, 4 a.m. in the morning, that who delegates are coming. But I think they could do it more prior, so it would be much better. I introduce yourself.
I don't know how to introduce.
You want to introduce?
Hi, my name is Arna and I'm the organizer of this Ludo game.
Owner of the phone.
Owner of the phone also. It's your turn.
Weird shit I do and then post it on my YouTube channel, guys. Leaving for the Flame University, so excited, so happy. Met two amazing friends of mine. I hope you have seen it in the vlog. Share the whole team. Trip was so relaxing. Mountains, clouds. Oh my god, it's healing. It's seriously healing. My struggles are so real, guys. 4. Yeah. So, got the keys, done with the luggage, and now I'm heading to my room. And we will chill, we will sleep, and I will sleep because I'm super tired. I could not vlog because I have this much pasara to carry. But it's a form. It's easy when you come. They will give you a form that you have to fill, like basic information for the check-in. Oh, we got a good balcony. Really wanted to shoot that. Oh my god, it's really super pretty. Let's keep our luggage and then come. Quite good, like quite okay. Oh my god. Oh, bhai sahab, this view has my heart. Oh, wow. This is crazy. This is so pretty. Happy. So now let's go, let's freshen up. Let me give you a room tour. So this is the 2 desk. So I'll take this one. I'll take this one. And that's, we have hanger for the clothes. We have a good mirror. And we have a closet. I guess 2 closets. This is the washroom. Quite good. It's enough. It's enough for like a college, like hostel kind of like vibe, and it's really amazing. Like if you look at it from the perspective of college and hostel, it's crazy. So I don't know when the roommate will come, but this is a perfect place to shoot Get Ready With Me. So I'm so happy. The place is so good. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but the birds are chirping around and all that. It's amazing. Love the room, and you will love it as well. And we have a AC also, which yes, so that's amazing. I am so obsessed with the view. Oh lord, this is crazy. I don't know if we can go there or not and how we will go, but I want to take picture here, like here. I want to take a picture here, and this is so pretty. Oh, there are others room as well, but I think I am only the one to arrive so early. It's 7:30 right now in the morning. The sun is here. Oh lord, this is, oh my god, this is so pretty. It's seriously so pretty. Now let's go to our room, let's change, let's have a sleep, let's go, let's relax, and then we will see what we have to do today. After how many hours? 3-4 hours I was sleeping. It's 11:30 right now. I went to sleep around 7:30. We want to enjoy the view. We have a lunch in 30 minutes, like at 11:30. But I'm going or not, like what is happening, what's not happening. Like people will be there. The pookiest shoes. This is what I have borrowed from my sister. I will attach her ID somewhere because she told to tell you all that this shoes does not belong, like shoes, not this Crocs does not belong to me. Out for the lunch. Let's go. Let's have lunch in the way. Just see your face, guys. Here look. There will be our morning drills, and I'm so excited for it. Like seriously excited. There are players, like there are boys sitting and they're playing football. Like they're sitting. It's a basketball, I guess. Yes. Oh, amazing infrastructure. Like crazy. Pretty good in the mess, like it was eatable, I would say. Not super tasty kind of vibe, but eatable. And not sure which, yeah. So it's pretty eatable. The food was pretty good. I could not vlog because I was sitting with like my colleagues, and they are not like camera people, kind of that vibe. So we cannot. This is such a pretty walk, and I will again go in my room and sleep. Pretty smart to come early. They say that will not get services before 5 p.m. but I think they have done everything what you need to. Like you get the food, you get the stay, so what's left, and you get a good time to relax. That's the view. I'm going back to my room. It's a long walk. I'll be fit in these 3-4 days, I swear. The campus is so big, like seriously very big. The view is amazing, like camera can never do justice to this place. I want to sit here and actually enjoy. It's pretty good. Amazing. Let's go. So we had a really good day today. Like after I came from that, what do we say, mess. We also had invited for the lunch at 2, but I was already so full that I could not, and it's presently 4:30. And a video that was like packed for Oxford ME, and that video done that scheduled like, today. And now it's 4:30. I'll get a bit ready, like comb my hair, not really hairs, because now we are going for that our informal group dissect, and like all other new colleagues I have met, so we are going on a walk to explore Flames. So obviously I'm not vlogging that because like I want to keep few memories personal, of course, but yeah, I'm going there. I have a habit of walking and talking. Like if I am editing video, I always think, why do I do this? But this looks cute now. My roommate has not arrived yet. I don't know when she will, or probably I have to stay alone. And if you honestly ask me, I love to stay alone. Like in such conditions, I really love to stay alone. So I don't know. And yeah, so that's the fact. So probably we went for a walk and it was really amazing. I have come and now we are changing for that session, jazzing session. So probably we'll have, I don't know, really don't know what to expect, but this outfit, this outfit is not planned. This was my supposed to be airport outfit when I will go back home, but although I did not had anything, so this is what it is. So I'm wearing this one and I will do my makeup, like really good makeup, and then I'll go with the shoes only because we have to walk a lot. And yeah, so that's the plan, that's the thinking we have.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out.
The final OOTD, guys, final OOTD. I don't know how do I look. Like I never wear such kind of like makeup and like look, so I am not sure how do I look. But probably I'll change something. So that's how do I look, and now I will go in that. And I'm also carrying this bag. Like if you have seen my Dubai vlog, I did not carry this, so this time I have like seriously called. And this is also I have borrowed from my sister, guys, by the way. Yeah. Doing lobbying, so we are lobbying people, so I'm taking their number and I will add them in my dissect group. So that's the plan. We are lobbying right now, me, Germany, and that's South Korea, Natik. So we are just doing a lobbying right now. So and that's a beautiful vibe going on. But अपने को क्या करना है, अपने लोग काम करने हैं, तो हम काम करेंगे और जीतेंगे. That's it. That's the plan. Holding the t-shirts, I don't want to buy, and that's like that's a lovely opportunity going on, like lovely scenery, but I'm working, so I don't have anyone to take my pictures, so I'm kind of getting nervous. I want to take a picture, so I'll probably ask anyone to take my picture. That's the plan. Oh my god, I look so beautiful. Like seriously, that's the committee. Everybody's singing there and we are working, and unfortunately I've lost my two people, Germany and South Korea, so I'm finding them. Done with the interview I have with them, and this was all the case I have given, and it was really fabulous to be a part of it. Like seriously a crazy part to be, so I have given that comes. Oh my god, बड़ी बन गई मैं तो, भाई मैं तो बड़ी बन गई, लोग मेरा इंटरव्यू लेते हैं. Oh my god, that's fun. एरिया में आ गई मैं. जाते हैं photos. I have to take photos, so I'll probably do that. Hello. Yeah. Hi. Where are you guys from?
We are from Punjab.
Hi. This is Aditi Ranjan.
I'm Tanisha. I'm Kanika.
And you're?
We're here for HSIs.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. I'm from Oxford MUN, Netherlands.
We done with the committee session and then what I'm saying, done with networking. It was really meaningful session. I've learned so much. To have the food, it's really pretty. Oh my god, it's so cold here because of the water. Such an amazing place to be. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Of course, this is so super pretty. I'm looking for my team members who are just so black streets, my camera out. Basic girls problem in India. Guys, I don't know how to say this. Like, I will cry now. It was supposedly to be that I was representing Netherlands in DISEC, and I don't know. I received a mail probably. Like, I don't know what it is. I read that I'm from DISEC. Like, seriously, how could this be so much of injustice? It's not possible. And they send me a mail that says I am from SOCOM. I really don't know how did they do this. I really don't know. Oh my god. I've done lobbying, I've done everything. I don't know anyone. Oh my god. Now I am representing tomorrow Netherlands in DISEC. Netherlands in SOCOM. So I'm heading to my room. I will go. I will do that. What do you say? I will study. I'll prepare a GSL. I'll prepare a motopic. Like, everything I did from last 1 month, I have to do it in one night. I really want to cry. I really don't know what to do now. Seriously, what to do? But never mind, guys. Still did not get a roommate. So guys, I'll end this vlog right here. This was all travel with me to Pune, and also how did I meet Oxford MUN team, and what was, like, not even the day one, it's like day 0. How was it? Everything is done. So I hope you have enjoyed this, and do make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the next part. And until then, take care. Bye bye.